Hi, this is Kibo, and here is my Miracle Battle Carddass Part 6. In my box, I actually had one of these little shiny sticker thingies. Actually, I don't even know if it's a sticker. It's just this plastic. It's just a promotional thing. This is what the box looks like. It was just released, made in Japan, Bandai 2011. It's mainly for GT. There are a total of 85 cards plus 5 Omegas. And there's 20 packs in a box and 8 cards per pack. And this is what each pack looks like. So I'm just going to show you some of the foils I got. These are just the rares. And starting from this one, it's my super rares. By the way, I bought 2 boxes. It's not that one box has that many foils. And this is my Miracle Rare. I actually got 2 per box. So I got Goten, Trunks, Goku Super Saiyan 3, and Vegito. And this is my Omega Rare. Here's my other one. Other than these two, well, these two and the Vegeta one, I haven't really seen the other 2 designs. These are just promotional items I bought off eBay. Also a Miracle Rare and Gohan. And these actually comes in these little packages. So for my extras, I actually have, I don't know if it's a full set of rare, but these are exact repeats from my other box, so it might be one set of rares. I have an extra Omega Rare that I'll probably try to sell. And I have 2 Gohan Miracle Rares for sale. So that's it, and thanks for watching.